Hi there. Welcome from Monocotype. Let's talk about SHX fonts, a type of vector font used primarily in CAD software like AutoCAD. Unlike standard fonts like TTF or OTF, SHX fonts are built for performance. They're lightweight, quick to load, and ideal for technical applications. What makes them especially useful is how they work as single-line fonts, also known as stroke fonts. Instead of filled outlines, they follow one clean path. No overlaps, no double lines. That's a big deal for machines like CNC engravers, laser cutters, and pen plotters. You get faster processing, smoother output, and less cleanup. The only problem? SHX font options out there are pretty limited, and most look outdated. That's why we started building our own. At Monocotype, we design SHX fonts that are clean, precise, and ready to use, whether you need something off the shelf or fully custom. That's it for now. Feel free to explore more at monocotype.com. Catch you in the next one.